Hi, welcome to our HP Printer Reviews channel. This video is designed for HP Inktank wireless printer user. This is 410 series printer and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset all settings on this device. To do it, you need to use HP Smart application. You can download it from Microsoft Store and Google Store. Then you need to connect to your HP Inktank printer using USB cable. But you can see, I have not connect my HP Inktank wireless printer to the Wi-Fi network. So I can use empty web server using Android or iPhone. So I am using only embed web server using HP Smart app. Click 2 times on HP Inktank wireless printer. If you have this HP wireless printer and add it on HP Smart app. Then double-click on your HP printer, click on Advanced Design Things and find your settings. Restart Defaults and Restart Factory Defaults. Scroll down to Crystal Factory Defaults. And wait a while as you can see printer is restoring default. Now I will insert a blank card to my printer. So if printer will want to print any information. Then we will know. That's it, as you can see, that's it, and that web server is working. HP printer status is unknown. So can I connect? Open HP Smart app on your device. And finally my HP Inktank printer got reset. Well, if you like this video then please like, subscribe and share it.